A common mistake in the moment calculation was this question about this fishing rod moment calculation. So this fish is having a pull of 10 pounds at this in this direction, and then I think the first question was asking how much is the moment created by that 10-pound force by the fish with respect to this pivot point right here. So the most convenient way in this scenario would be simply resolve this 10-pound force in a way so one of the components passes through that pivot point. So this component is going to pass through that pivot point. So it's not going to cause any moment. The other component perpendicular to that direction. So that will be simply 10 sine 70 degree. And then that will cause the moment with respect to the pivot point. So simply moment is equal to force times distance. So force here is 10 sine 70 degree, and then the distance, the perpendicular shortest distance here, we resolve forces in a way because it's already shortest. Any other distance will be longer, like any other distance from the pivot point to the line of action of that force will be longer. Only this distance, which is 12 feet rod, um, the way we have resolved these forces will be the shortest. Just 12 feet rod, I calculated that 113 pound foot moment. The next question was asking how much do you have to produce from the hand? So pulling like this way to basically fight with this fish. Simply, this moment will be causing in this clockwise direction, which is actually negative. And then the hand will do a counterclockwise movement with respect to the pivot point. And as you can see, hand is producing force at perpendicular. So we don't have to worry about resolving anything. Simply hand force times the distance, which is 2 foot in this case. So the force by the hand I calculated was 56 pounds. A lot of time, if you have experience fishing, you'll see most of the time you miss a fish. Oh my God, that was a big one because of this third class lever, this fishing rod. You actually have to produce a way more force than what the fish actually is producing because of this lever and the rod, the way this lever is placed. When it is a third class lever, and also the lever ratio making things worse too. So